Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between week and week. It's very common for English language learners to get confused how to spell or use these words correctly, since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Week, spelled W-E-E-K, is a noun. A week is a period of 7 days. Let's look at some examples of week in a sentence. It's been a long and difficult week. Are you free next week? What are you doing this weekend? I am moving in 2 weeks. Now let's review the word weak, spelled W-E-A-K. Weak is an adjective. Weak is the opposite of strong. If someone or something is weak, they are lacking in physical, intellectual, or even mental strength. Let's look at some examples. I used to be weak before I started lifting weights. This coffee is too weak. That's a weak argument. He was a weak man and ate a whole pizza after only 5 hours on his diet. Now let's look at some mixed examples using both weak and week. Sales were weak at the office this week. I feel weaker this week after skipping the gym. Chocolate cake is my weakness. I'll go for a run this weekend to make up for it. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using week and week in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching!